Hello, my name is Miranda Oxendine, and I work for Merrill Lynch as a client associate, or a CA for short. We're often doing things for our financial advisors that we are given to whenever we begin our role. I'm wanted to learn a little bit more about the financial advisor role, so I did some research on it, and I'm going to break down the role a little bit for you today. I'm going to start off by talking about the day-to-day of a financial advisor, and then I'm going to tell you how to become a financial advisor, and then lastly I'm going to give you a deeper understanding of the role based on information that I was given from an interview with the financial advisors I work for, Danny DeBoard and Reed Branham. So a financial advisor, like many jobs, do not have a schedule to their day. They're often out at the office in meetings, talking to clients, and definitely talking to clients on the phone. Throughout one workday, a financial advisor might discuss income, expenses, insurance coverage, tax status, risk tolerance, financial objectives, and any other information that could be relevant in giving the best service to the clients. And with that information, they determine strategies to meet the client's needs and financial objectives. An advisor might call one client throughout the year multiple times. To sum it up, a financial advisor spends a lot of time with clients trying to discuss their goals and trying to reach those client goals and trying to keep them satisfied with the financial services that they're being given to them. To become a financial advisor, there's a couple ways. Most think that you have to be a finance student to do this and get a job working with finance in the beginning of your career, but that's not always the case. Reed Branham, my financial advisor that I work for, did not become a financial advisor until later in his life. He actually started working as a salesman first and then decided he wanted a career change. He gave out his resume to many companies and also called them constantly, trying to get his foot into the door. And he finally did. Now he's working for Merrill Lynch as a financial advisor, and he's been working there for 15 years. Reed gave me some advice for some college students that are trying to get their foot into the door. The first thing is persistence, not pestering. When calling companies, it's good to call multiple times, but to make sure that they know that this is not pestering. They're just really excited and ready for the job ahead. The next thing was confidence is key when working in this, and it's the most important thing that you can have. As a financial advisor, you are a salesman. You're trying to sell yourself and the abilities you have to meet their goals. And the last advice that he gave me was try to gain as much experience as you possibly can in early stages of your career. Now I'm going to talk about a more deeper understanding of the financial advisor role. I asked both Danny DeBoard and Reed Branham about the workplace, and more specifically the diversity and inclusion and being a good financial advisor. Financial planners are on a salary until after a few years they get compensation or commission for what their clients and how much money they gain their clients. I asked them if they noticed any differences on how well financial advisors will do if they have more time to come into the office and talk to clients. However, they both said that everybody has the same experiences and everybody has the same abilities to go out and be a good financial advisor. It's just how you do it. I also wanted to ask them about sports within a financial advisor's role. I've noticed that a lot of financial advisors at Merrill Lynch were former athletes, and they said yes, most of them were former athletes, and that that did help them be a financial advisor because they were able to easily talk to clients, easily bring up different stories, and help them navigate through talking to different clients and gaining new clients. So drive and competitiveness in this role is a very good thing. So I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about what a financial advisor does, and maybe this might make you want to become one yourself.